Susanna J. Dodgson in South Philadelphia, heading towards Lincoln Financial Field for the final of the Philadelphia Unity Cup. And I arrived on the Septa train. Over there in that corner is FDR Park, which is huge. And I made a video of it in June when I went to the flower show. It's gorgeous, and it's under threat because we're looking at World Soccer Cup coming to Philadelphia in 2026, and they're talking about turning some of the wetlands into a soccer field, which would be a huge shame. Veterans Stadium. Okay. Yeah, I remember Veterans Stadium. I guess it doesn't exist anymore. Okay, that's Wells Fargo Center over there. That's Lincoln Financial Field. This is an enormous parking lot, which is probably full on game days. And look at this. This is Philadelphia, City Philadelphia. If you go straight down Broad Street, you end up there. You end up in City Hall, which you can't see here. But wow, that's great. And the roses, there's still roses. It's October 8th. I just came back from the Ethiopian festival. Look at this, in this light. Gorgeous. Okay. Gosh, the scale in South Philadelphia. See, we're not far from the airport. You can see planes landing and taking off there. In fact, we're very close. That plane is obviously about to land. And you can see cars in the distance. They're heading towards the airport. There's cars there. Look at that plane. Gorgeous. I can't resist planes landing. Love them. Okay, what's he doing? He's definitely getting ready to land. Okay, now I have to figure out how to cross this road without getting myself killed. Nope. There's no stoplights. You just cross. And hope no one's driving at the same time as you want to cross. Oh, there we are. There's another one over there too. Something Bank Park. I'm not sure what that one is. So there's 3 substantial stadia here. Okay. I got this far. Now what? I guess I'm stuck in the middle of the road. They're not going to stop for me. Oh, they are. My gosh. Didn't know that Philadelphia drivers stop for anyone. How about that? There we go. This is Citizens Bank Park over here. So this is the place to hang out on a Saturday night or any other night when there's a game. Okay, that's not what I want. So that's the Phillies. Now the Phillies and the Eagles are doing very well this year. Phillies are baseball and Eagles are football. And as I was walking to the train station this afternoon, Knights of Columbus, which always has some right-wing signs, as well as some nice signs. Oh, yeah, that's what they do on Broad Street. They regularly kill themselves. Look at that. They can't resist it because it's an absolute straight line. You often see kids doing wheelies. My goodness. is about liking noise. Okay, there you go. There's a whole lot more of them. Well, at least they've got lights, and a lot of them, not all of them, have helmets. So we're walking into Lincoln Field for the final game that's been going on since August. 54 teams of different ethnic backgrounds. Philadelphia is what's known as a majority-minority city. No ethnic group has a majority. And Philadelphia makes great advantage of this every year by putting together a soccer match, a soccer cup. And usually Liberia wins. Liberia or Sierra Leone wins. And they're playing USA. So USA is like a fake team. It's everyone that just doesn't fit into another ethnic group. You can see my shadow. I'm dragging along a cart. Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. There we are. There's another one. Another huge sculpture over there. Oh, it's always nice coming out here. Okay, how do I get there? Guess I have to go around. It's just one after another. My gosh. Apparently, all these stadia aren't enough. There's a proposal to put a stadium on top of Chinatown in Center City, which makes no sense to anyone sensible. I mean, it just isn't this amount of room. You'd flatten everything. So there's some theory that if you put a stadium in Chinatown, people come from New York by train. No one will come from New York. New York's got its own stuff. More of this. So this is a hangout. This is Saturday night hangout, and there's Joe Frazier. Is it? Yep, smoking Joe Frazier. Of course he is. Yes. Very famous Philadelphian. Look, there's a Liberty Bell. Okay, so let's get across here. Oh my, I don't know how you cross here. All kinds of drag racing. Jesus. Well, if I get run over, I'm videoing it. Okay. It looks like there's a race. Okay. All right, NBC is here. Something's happening. Now, how do I get into the Lincoln? Okay, how do I get into here? This is not as easy as I thought it would be. There must be a way in. Over there. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop this now. I think I have entertained you enough with motorbikes and autumn foliage and loud noises. Susanna J. Guys, you can't hear me. Susanna J. peacescientist.org. Okay, October 8th, 2022.